Residential report writing and case studies. Chapter 8, disclosure of scope of work and something. No inspection. USPAP does not require an inspection of the subject real property. In fact, an appraiser can do an appraisal without even leaving the office. These are sometimes called desktop or no inspection appraisals. As with an exterior-only inspection, a desktop appraisal is usually requested in an attempt to save time and or money. But the client's reason for making the request is irrelevant. Regardless of the client's motivations, in order to complete an assignment of this type, the appraiser must be able to obtain enough reliable information about the subject property's physical characteristics to develop credible assignment results for the intended use. In reporting the appraisal, the appraiser must disclose the fact that he or she did not inspect the subject property. This disclosure must be made in the report's certification. Simply disclosing the lack of inspection, however, does not relieve the appraiser of the responsibility to determine whether adequate information about the subject real estate is available to develop a credible opinion of value. The appraiser must disclose the research performed and the efforts made to obtain information about the subject property's relevant characteristics. If insufficient information is available regarding the subject property's physical characteristics, the appraiser must withdraw from the assignment unless the scope of work can be modified to include gathering the information, or the appraiser employs an extraordinary assumption, assuming credible results still can be achieved. The appraiser must disclose the information that was relied on regarding the subject property's physical characteristics and the sources of this information. This additional disclosure may appear anywhere in the report. Often, the appraiser will also insert a disclaimer in this section stating that the appraiser believes the sources for property information are reliable, and the appraiser is not responsible if incorrect information was provided to him or her. End of page.